What's up guys, Miguel here, another quick tool video. This one is on the Milwaukee packout dolly. A buddy of mine just got it for his Milwaukee packout tool stuff. We're doing a Milwaukee wall right now, and it's gonna be absolutely fantastic. This comes with wheels and a spring, and this little lever over here. I've gone through the instructions a little bit so that I won't look like an idiot assembling this thing for this video. It's got a 250-pound weight capacity that you could put on it. It's got some nice casters that'll go on it. This thing over here does have a pin, and I can't think of what they're called right now. So basically it has the spring over here that you would put down, and then there's a little area where the spring will go into, just like that, and then you push it down and insert to hold it into place. After the pin is inserted, what you're going to want to do is you're going to insert these guys in the hole so that they don't fall out of place. There you go, just like that. And those guys are locked in. Wheels, two of them come with brakes, so I'm going to put those ones in the front so that we can stop them. And then pretty much I should be able to step on this when I'm done assembling it, because I do not weigh 250 pounds. But I'll do another video with Milwaukee packout stuff on top of it. And we'll lock in the wheels after I put them on. I'm gonna sit on it, and hopefully that will lock the wheels into place. All right. Wheels are locked into place, and that is the dolly. We're gonna assemble this. Sitting on it, 185 pounds, feels pretty sturdy. Should be good. I don't know what this thing is, but we'll figure it out. I guess it's a little lever to pull it. Got it a little bit dirty. I was trying to avoid that by putting it on the ground, but anyways, that's what it is. Milwaukee packout rolling dolly.